Okay, so the next one, forward and reverse arm circles. Now these seem like they could be very, very easy to do, fairly rudimentary. However, the rotator cuff is a very complicated group of muscles, okay? And it's cuff, not cup. There's 4 of them, the muscles, okay? And they're all very attitude stricken. So the forward circles, go ahead, Jesse. What you're looking at is you want to keep both of the traps down and an even, not too fast revolution here from the shoulder alone, not those traps. This is what you're going to find when sometimes the kids will get a little bit lazy and they want to rush through the movements. Go ahead and relax. Now, go relax. Now that's something you really have to watch out for, because if there's a dysfunction in the shoulder or traps, at least, especially from a recruiting standpoint, let's take the fatigue out of it. You're going to see this compensation show somewhere along the line that is specific to the sport, which means pitching elbow. Now, stuff like that the kids probably won't end up getting into until they get a little bit older. However, this is preventative exercise, okay? This is injury prevention, and it's very, very, very easy to follow if you just look for the little things, okay? So let's go backwards now, reversing the same circle. If you notice, you may have a little bit of movement here with the trunk, forward and back. That's okay, okay? Let's not worry about that right now. What we do need to worry about, show me the other one. Then, this can probably still happen in the way that you cue it or you pay attention to it, is watch how the hands look. Sometimes, if their hands are backward like this, they'll be able to have a lot more control over what they're doing when you go to make the correction, so drop the shoulders. Now, turn your hands down. Now going backwards, they're going to feel a significant burn here in what's called the rear deltoid. The angle of the hands can kind of help you as a coach or trainer keep an eye on the quality of this movement, especially if you're doing the entire team at once.